Amid the evergreen forest layers of Hipa, the gyoisan tree quietly grows through the years. This native large timber species holds high ecological and economic value. Gyoisan wood is durable and visually appealing, widely used in house construction and furniture making, while its seeds are a traditional spice, prized for their distinctive aroma in local cuisine. From its ivory-white blossoms, each seed carries the potential to restore forests and nurture biodiversity. To ensure high-quality planting material, mature gyoisan trees are carefully selected. Those with straight trunks, healthy crowns, and free from pests and diseases. Gyoisan typically flowers from March to April and bears fruit from August to October. Harvesting seeds at the right time is crucial to achieving high germination rates and producing vigorous seedlings. After collection, the fruits are processed to extract the seeds, and the pulp is completely removed. The seeds are then naturally air-dried in the shade and stored in ceramic jars or sealed containers placed in dry, well-ventilated areas to maintain viability for the next sowing season. Seed treatment to stimulate germination. Soak the seeds in warm water, prepared by mixing 2 parts boiling water with 3 parts cold water, approximately 50 to 55 degrees Celsius, for 12 to 24 hours to stimulate germination. The seeds are ready when they have absorbed water and the seed coat begins to crack. After that, gently rub off the outer seed coat and rinse the seeds thoroughly. Then wrap them in a moist cloth or moist sand and incubate them in a cool, shaded place for 5 to 10 days. Sowing seeds on seedbeds. Germinated seeds are evenly sown on loose, humus-rich seedbeds with good drainage, marking the beginning of a new life cycle in the forest. Preparing potting soil. The growing medium is mixed from topsoil, well-decomposed organic compost, and lime in appropriate proportions. The mixture is thoroughly composted to reduce pathogens and support root development. When seedlings reach a height of about 2 to 3 centimeters, they are carefully lifted and transplanted into nursery bags for further care under controlled conditions. Seedling care. Seedlings are shaded, watered regularly, and closely monitored to ensure stable growth and early detection of pests and diseases. Hardening seedling. After approximately 6 months, nursery bags are periodically turned and shading is gradually reduced, helping seedlings develop strong root systems and adapt to natural conditions. Planting. Once seedlings meet out planting standards, they are returned to the Hipa forest. Planting holes are carefully prepared at ecologically suitable sites, enabling quick establishment and contributing to forest ecosystem restoration. From a tiny seed to the forests of the future, Gioizan carries hope for the long-term sustainability of the Hipa forest. Today's planting journey lays the foundation for a healthy ecosystem and a gift for generations to come.